Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. We are starting a new playlist, and in this playlist we are dealing with the linked list data structure problems asked in coding interviews or technical interviews in companies like Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, like. Okay, so let's start with the basics first. So I choose a question for today's video, that is find the middle element of the linked list. So let me read the question first. Given a non-empty singly linked list with head node, and we have to return the middle node of the linked list, right? If there is only one middle element, then we can simply return it. But what happens if there are two middle nodes? So we have to return the second middle node, as mentioned in the question, that if there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Okay, so let's take an example. Example 1 is, here is a given linked list. Okay, and since the length of the linked list is odd, so there is obviously one middle node, and as you can clearly see that 3 is in the middle, right? So we return the 3. Okay, so let's take second example. In this, the size of the linked list is even, right? So there are two middle nodes. Okay, so as the question stated, that if there are two middle nodes, then we have to return the second middle node. Okay, so there are two middle nodes, 3 and 4, where 3 is the first and the 4th is the second. So we have to return the 4 as our output. Okay, so till now I hope you all get the question. So let's move to the solution part. Okay, so like previous videos, I'm going to solve this problem in both languages, Java as well as Python, right? And in this video I'm going to share the recursive approach. Okay, so before writing the solution of this problem has two approaches, right? Two solution approaches. First one is using the two pointers approach, and the second one is little bit lengthy but more easier, right? The second one is, first count the total number of nodes present in the linked list, and then we traverse to the length by 2 of the linked list. Okay, the moment we reach the length by 2, we have to return its data. Okay, but in this video I am going to share the first approach, that is solution by two pointers approach. Okay, so let's start. As the name suggests, two pointers, we have to declare two pointers and initialize with a head initially. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so list node, I'm saying first head, and second one is list node second is equals to head. So we have created two pointers. Okay, so the idea is, on each iteration we move the first node by 2 node and move the second node by the 1 node. Okay, let me write the code for you. While first is not equals to null, and first dot next is not equals to null, then what we can do, we can simply first is equals to first dot next, and second is equals to second dot next. Okay, in return second. Okay, so let's submit this. Oh, my bad. I forget to put a sim. Let's submit this code. See, we have submitted successfully with the runtime of 0 milliseconds, and it is faster than 100% of Java online submissions for the same problem. Okay, so it's time to jump to the Python implementation. Alright, choose the Python 3. Okay, so on the similar approach, first we have to declare the 2 pointers, okay, and initialize it with the head, and then create the while loop till first is not equals to null and first dot next is not equals to null. We are writing the first dot next is not equals to null because if it is true, then the linked list containing only the one element, it may be possible, right? So in that case we can't find the middle element. Okay, so let's do it in the Python. So okay, so first is equals to head and second is equals to head. Okay, now traverse the while loop while first is not equals to none and first dot next is not equals to null. In Python there is nothing like null. Instead of null we are having none. Okay, so if it is true, then coming to the while body, in which we are going to apply the logic. So what is the idea behind the implementation is, in each iteration we move the first pointer by 2 nodes and second pointer by 1 node. Okay, so the moment when the first pointer reaches to the end of the linked list, the second pointer will automatically points to the middle of the linked list. So this is the whole crunch of this approach. Okay, so let's do it. First is equals to first dot next dot next. Okay, and second is equals to second dot next, and after that we have to return the second. So let's run this code, whether it is running or not. Yeah, it is running fine. Okay, as you can see. Now submit this. So our code is successfully submitted with a runtime of 28 milliseconds, and it is faster than the 77.45% of Python 3 online submission for the same problem. Okay, so let me revise the approach. This is the Python implementation. If you want to take the screenshot, then you can easily take for the future reference. And this is the Java solution. Wait, yes, this is the Java implementation. Okay, so what is the basic steps? First, declare the 2 pointers, first and second. In each iteration, move the first pointer by 2 nodes and second pointer by 1 node. Why are we doing this? Because the moment when the first pointer reaches to the end of the linked list, the second pointer will automatically points to the middle of the linked list,